Alright, no good gamer here. See, I've been needing a lot of andesite casings for things, so I decided I was gonna go about actually making my own little automation line where I just kind of, dump in some logs, throw in some andesite alloy, and that way I can be able to just, drop a bunch of stuff off and then come back and just have a whole bunch of casings ready for myself. Because otherwise I've been making like maybe 5 or 10 at a time. It's just not very handy, so decided I'm gonna actually put one of these together myself, and I actually had a slot upstairs that ended up being perfect for it, but yeah, we'll see what that looks like here in a second. See, what I'm doing here is I'm only making as many andesite casings by hand as I absolutely need to because I've made so many already. That's why I keep having to come down and do this repeatedly. But that's just how stubborn I am in the way I do things. The funny part is I already have a blueprint that does this exact thing with exactly what I need, but I don't know if it would fit in this slot, plus I have it made out of different materials, so it was a lot more fun to actually just kind of like think of a different way to put it together. Plus, I'm always trying to think of the cheapest material cost for putting these things together as well. I guess the one thing I'm trying to showcase here too is that you can have all the prettiest builds you want, but sometimes it's just fun to put them together. So what I'm thinking here is I looked at the stress meter because 512 is what I'm down, which means I would need two more of these water wheels. But I don't really have the space to do that, and I don't really want to do that. I could have the space, but it'd be a little annoying. I'd rather have less power need. So I ended up thinking about the gear ratios and how to remove it from there instead. So one important thing to note about setting one of these up is those 3 cogwheels right there behind the saw blade. When you set them up like that with 3 of them, the ones on the outer side are gonna turn the same direction. The one on the center is gonna go backwards. And with the way the saw works, for some reason or another, you have to have it turning counterclockwise to get the saw to turn clockwise, and it'll carry the logs forward properly. If you don't do that, then it just kind of kicks them backwards and they get stuck on the previous belt. You also have to filter this saw for whatever log type you're doing. That's why I stripped this one and stick it in it. And just like that, it is complete. And now that it's making a few, I can actually grab these and start prettying up the build a little bit more. That way it's not looking so bare bones. That's all I'm doing here at the end. Alright, well, let me know what you guys think. I'll be posting more about how it goes on my Minecraft Create realm. I got a buddy that plays on here with me. You may see him here occasionally. Well, leave a like, subscribe, and comment below. Have a good one.